Hello everybody, welcome. Now if you can remember, I've done a stir-fried pie a few weeks ago. Now today I'm going to be doing a bangers and mash pie. I've never had a bangers and mash pie. I think they've been done before, but I've never had one, but I'm going to do one anyway. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Well, I've already put my potatoes on to boil to get them done out of the way, ready. So I'm going to have cheesy mash. I've got myself some Shortcrust Pastry, I've got myself some Cumberland sausages and just a bit of red onion. I'm just going to make a bit of a granule gravy, just something simple. I'm going to get in a shortcrust pie, pastry base, and see what it comes out like. So I've got my pan on anyway. I'm going to get myself some Cumberland sausages in. They've gone down in price these. The other day there was $1.49. Today they're only $1.40. Gone down. Bonus. I don't know how many sausages I need. I'll put probably 2 or 3 in, I suppose, because they're going to be cut up. I've just done my pastry case and I've realised I wasn't recording. Anyway, there's my pastry case. Stupid I am. Now last time I didn't pre-bake it, which was my mistake. But this time I'm going to pre-bake it. Well, I've got no ceramic, what do you call them in there? Ceramic beads, peas, whatever they're called. I'm just going to use a bit of rice. Let's get it pre-baked up. So I'll get that in the oven, ready. I do apologise for not doing recording when I've done the base. Well, I'm going to take the sausages off now, they're virtually done. Now I was just thinking, instead of doing gravy, I got this, ain't I? Why don't I use that Southern style gravy mix instead of normal gravy? I've got that, I forgot about that, that's what I'm going to use. Lovely. Right, I've added 250ml of water and some of this mix into the pan. I'm going to whisk that up. Gravy's done, so I like mine nice and thick, so I'm going to do it thick. That's all done. Leave that to cool down. Turn that off. I'll par bake my thing, that's done. Right, I've drained the mash. I'm going to get some butter in. I'm going to get that and mash up. A little drop of milk. Then I need the salt and pepper. Salt. Pepper. I'm going to give that a quick mash. Now I want to get the cheese in now. Let's get some cheese in. Oh yes. Lovely. Stringy cheese. Stringy cheesy mash. Lovely. Leave that to rest now. Well, I'll put myself a little knob of butter in there. Well, Marge. I'm going to get my onions in. Get them all softened up. Right, everything's done. Let's start building. Let's get some sausages in the bottom first. Could have put mash in the bottom, couldn't I, first, to be honest? Should have. Let's just get it in anyway, it doesn't matter, does it? Few onions, pour them on top. I want some gravy now. And then we want some mashed potato, cheesy mash. Just pour it on. Oh, I'm looking forward to this, looks nice. As I always say, it's not how it looks, it's all in the taste. There we go, let's get it in the oven. Get it all browned up. See what it looks like when it comes out. See if the gravy goes everywhere, it probably will. Should have went over the sides really, but never mind. Well, I'll get that in the oven. For over how long, I don't know. 15-20 minutes I suppose. Clean all this mess up because it's out of the place. Right, it's done. There we go. Looks a bit like a shepherd's pie, doesn't it? But in a pastry case. Looks quite nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it a few minutes to cool down. It's boiling hot. Then we'll have a taste test. Right, it's all cooled down a bit now. So I'm going to try and get this off somehow. Well, there it is. I mean, it doesn't look like the base is cooked properly again at the bottom. I don't know why that is. Or is it just because of the juice? Just because it's the stuff inside? I don't know. Let me know what I'm doing wrong with the bases. Because it seemed to be like not cooking. Everything was cold before I put it in. I ain't got a clue. Let me know if you've done them before. So I've never done them before, so I don't know. Let's cut it open anyway. There it is. Gorgeous, doesn't it? Same about the base though, I don't know. Anyway, let's give it a taste test. I'll say they look nice, don't they, to be fair? You know, they do look nice. I don't know about the base, what I'm doing wrong. They look sort of cooked, but at the very bottom, or is that just because of the juice? But it shouldn't be the juice, should it? I don't know. I'm going to get a taste test anyway. And get a knife and fork. Because I don't think I'll be able to pick that up. Will I be able to pick it up? Let me see first. Like a pie. Well, I can pick it up. I made a good choice with that gravy. That gravy makes it right stand out. That's gorgeous. So there's the bottom of the pastry. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. That cheesy mash is lovely. Tell you what, that works well in the pie. Absolutely. That's very nice. Wonder if Anne would want a bit of that. Let me ask her. Anne can have a go. Have that one. I've already tried that one. Try that one. So what you think? I quite like it. Make sure you get a bit of everything.
Oh yeah. I have to cut it up on you.
Yeah? No?
I like that. It's nice. Really
Try it with the pastry. Have you got some with the pastry?
I've got some pastry here. Very tasty.
Yeah? Matt likes it.
What's
like
seasonings in there?
It's that thingy sauce. That.
Very nice. Just gives it that extra.
Makes it taste nicer, doesn't it? With that gravy.
Oh, is it the gravy?
I don't know what I'm doing with the pastry bases though. Do you know? Why they don't seem to cook, or is that just, I don't know. Because I don't do pies, I don't know.
I don't know, big pastry, but I'm no good with pastry.
Well, there we go.
That's very tasty.
Something different, and that likes it. Got a dog scrounging around looking. But so I'm the old food guy. Thanks for watching. Let me know about this pastry. I like to get it right sometime. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. See you later. We'll have a bit more because it is quite nice. Very nice. Bit like a shepherd's pie. Yeah. With pastry. Bye bye.